Windows Server is a Microsoft operating system designed for managing network, users, data, and application. Unlike Windows 10 or 11, which is made for individual, Windows Server is built for centralized control and security collaboration. Let's set up a static IP address. So click on this window icon. You can just type in control panel. To come up, so you click on network and internet, then select network and sharing center. Once you have this selected, click on change adapter setting, then right click, then click on property, then go to your network protocol version 4, IPv4. Click on that and click on the property. So we're going to set a static IP address. So you're going to click on use the following IP address. So you're going to set up your IP address. Then you're going to have, once you click here, it's going to bring up the subnet mask. Then let's do a default gateway. Then we're going to close to apply this. Okay, to apply. Then close. Okay, so it's identifying and initializing. Active Directory is a core service in Windows Server. It's a database plus management system that securely controls informations about the user, the computer, the group, network resources like printer, files, and policy. Once you install Active Directory Domains as service, which is ADDS, your server becomes a domain controller, the bus that authenticates and manage every user's and devices in the network. Next is to install Active Directory Domain service. So you click on the manage, and then you have the server manager, click on manage, then hard rules in the future. Then you select role-based installation before you begin. So we have the role-based, then you click on next. So this will be selecting role-based or future-based installation. Then you go next. Then you select your server, and this is my server. Then go next. Once you're done with that, then you have to have the role. You have to have the role. So you have to check Active Directory Domain Service. You can see right here, Active Directory Domain Services, because that's the role we're adding. And once you're done, you need to add the future. Add future. Okay, so you have it right here. Then once you're done with that, you go to next. Next. Then we have next. Then you have to like install, you can see it right here. Active Directory Domain Service, the group policy management. Then you have the remote service administrative and all of that. Then just click on install. So let's allow the installation to go through. Once the installation is completed, you're going to see this notification here. You click here and then promote the server to a domain controller. You click that and then add a new forest. So I'm going to add a new forest. I'm going to call it Secure with Franca. So that's what I'm going to call it. Then I'll go to next. Oh, it's okay. So once I go to next, then I'm going to put a password. Oh, I can go through. And I'm going to retype the password. So once that is done, um, you click on next. Just a moment. Okay, so we have next. So we have the domain name system server. Then we have the global catalog with domain. So we have type the, okay, so once that's done, just go to next. So it's booting now because once you're done with the installation, it will begin to boot. Let's give a few seconds or more to have the rebooting. Okay, let's go ahead and create user and group. So you click on the two, then you click on Active Directory Users and Computer. So once you click on that, you right click on your name. Okay. So once you right click on that, so we're going to go to new because right now we're going to create user and group. So you create new. Then under the new, go to organization units. So let's give a name to it. So let's say we're going to call this, the group name is going to be, so this is the organizational group. So the group name, let's call it YouTube team, right? Let's try that. Uh, okay. So let's say, okay. Um, so that will have that. Then let's see if we can create another one. Right click again. Let's go to, oh, sorry, I went to property. So right click on the name, then let's go to new and the organizational unit. We're going to create another organization. We're going to call it Cyber Lab. Let's call this cyber. I want to say thank you for joining me today, and we'll be stopping here for now. We're going to continue our next video. Okay, please endeavor to subscribe and like, review, and also share. And if you have any question, please send me a message, and I'll be responding almost immediately. Thank you.